So hello traders, this is Trader Muru here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and another episode of Daily Gold Update where we analyze gold for possible intraday entries. If you guys are new to my channel and hearing my voice for the first time, just click on the subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you guys get notified for all my upcoming videos. Without wasting time, let's get on the chart, guys. Here we have a daily time frame chart in front of us and we can see this. This is the first candle which is showing a weakness in price. Here. Why it is weakness? Because we can see this big shadow here which is indicating that sellers are present at this level. This means we have some profit booking. This is profit booking, not a downtrend. Remember guys, this is profit booking, not a downtrend. And yesterday I have told you guys that if price flip 50 prices, then it will go for 00 price. Then we already have tapped 4750 nearer about this one in 4-hour time frame. See this, yesterday we tapped 4755. And if we talk about structure, then structure is still bullish. It is creating higher highs and higher lows. So the possible next higher low can be here at this level, around 4641. Then the again pump and target will be first this 4888 and then 5000. And if you guys have already know that price always play in a parallel channel to determine its target. Price always play in parallel channel to determine a target. Now we are replicating this area here, this one. So if I expand it over here, you can clearly see this. This move is replicating here, this one, and now it can move like this. One more drop, again pump, then drop. So this is the possibility. Now let's see 4-hour time frame. So according to 4-hour, we have this buying area still pending for the test. This is consolidation just near our buying area, and as we know, this is our inducement. So if price tests this area, it will be good for buy. A sweep, retest, and we can buy here for this target. Now let's see 1 hour. In 1 hour, structure is strongly bullish. This is a breakout structure. Then again found this is again a breakout structure, again a breakout structure, and price is holding on this order block. But we have a 5 waves to the downside on anti-trend, which shows that price want to test untested areas. This is 1, 2, this is 3rd wave, this is 4th, and this is 5th wave. Whenever 5 wave is there, it is indicating that price want to test untested areas in bigger time frame, which is this one, around 4642. So according to 1 hour, until this structure change here, it is bearish. And this area can be a rejection zone. On the confirmation here, you can enter in short for this target around 4658. Now let's see 30-minute. In 30-minute time frame, same 5 waves. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Most of the time what happens, whenever 5 waves is there, price is likely to sweep level 4. Here, this zone will be the important for short. Right now price is bouncing on here. So the pump, this is your inducement, and this can be the possible path. I will be watching for short here. If price flip it, then I will be continuing with 5000 target. Until then, price is bouncing from 1 hour, so change of character here will be a good for 5000 target, and rejection here will lead towards this target around 4658. If you see this in 15 minute, then you can clearly see this is our order block from where it is pumping. In 5 minute, price is trying to change direction here. One more break above and it will pump to this target. But wait for this break and retest here. Follow structure. If I just minimize this here, then this is the zone from where we have big move. So this area will act as a resistance. If we have a breakdown here, what will happen? The concerning thing here is whenever the correction happens in this way, let me remove this all. The correction is near about 1000 pip. This is 920 pips. The maximum correction is 1000 pips, 920 pips. This is near about 1060 pips, but the recent drop is more than it, near about 1330 pips. So this is a correction going on after the break of structure. So it can test this areas now. This is not a single wave correction here. This is continuous correction, new correction here. So the sweep here will be good for test here and pump. So we can expect this move. So according to 1 hour, once this area break, we will good for this zone. And even if price don't want to hold this area, it will give you nice around 500 pips target. Even if this area don't want to hold, then it will give you a scalp pip of 500 pips. scalp buy here. So in 15 minutes, watch for this area, and this area will be good for short. Here stop loss is too big. This is the full zone from where rejection will come. This is your market structure shift. This is your breakout structure. This is your another breakout structure, and we are continuing here. This is 5-minute structure. This is your last breakout structure. This is your change of character, retracement, test of QML, drop, retracement, test of this order block, again drop. Then price did not test this area here. It is inducement. So we can expect market to test this area and drop again. Near this one, around 45 to 50 will be our short area, and your stop loss should be above 68. And your target will be this one. This is good RR, I will try here. It's possible that we will get a sweep, so I will be having a stop loss above this zone, around 68. And if we see a trend line, this is not much value because we have a minimal tests. One more pump is good. Now let's see silver. In silver we have a 1 hour change of character here, as this is our last breakout structure, and we have the 2 candle closing here. So the pump here is for short. First is this area. After this test it can drop. Second is QML area here, which is aligned with this order block. The stop loss will be above here. So first you can enter in short from here in silver, and your target will be this low, around 86. So if you guys remember that I have told you that silver and gold have the same price action. If silver is going down after testing 95, then it will be going for 80 to 75 target. The same thing will happen with gold. If silver is bearish, gold will be bearish too. And the major target I am expecting is 4600, and if this area doesn't hold, then price will go for this area around 4500, which is our bigger psychological level. Yeah. So be safe from long here. If you are getting a short entry, it is good. In 4 hour time frame, market have already changed its direction after closing a candle below it. Yeah. This was the weakness candle. And why it was the weakness candle? Because it is showing our big wick here, which is showing sellers, and we have a closing below it. So test here will be the good entry for short above it. Okay. So now let's see 5 minute again in silver. Same structure in silver here. If this area holds, next target will be this one, as price will pump to 95, not 95, sorry. It will pump to this area around 94.6 and again drop. First target will be this 90 and second target will be 86. Bitcoin is retesting the broken channel here, and it should drop. Bitcoin should drop. Four hour already have a change of character, two candle already closed below it. Price is retesting. If this area holds, more downside will be there. In daily time frame, it is still above the previous low. So we need two candle closing below it. But this is resistance zone, so it will be good for rejection. This is 4 hour resistance. See? So price will test here. Minimal drop will be around 86. Ethereum is strongly bearish right now. It can test here. Rejection will lead it to this low around 2623. DXY is bearish in 4 hour time frame. This was the breakout structure, this was another breakout structure. After that we have a change of character. So once DXY pump to this level again, it is good for short. GBP also bearish. And today we have important news about GDP, unemployment and PC index. So I'm expecting market to consolidate, then going upside slowly, then again drop on news, which will be we are watching in gold too here. This area will be good for short, this full zone. So that's it for today guys. Hope you understand today's plan. We are watching for short in gold because the structure is bearish in 1 hour and 15 minute time frame. If we get the test of these areas, I will be watching for short. My first target will be this low and second target will be this sweep of this equal lows and test of this 4 hour structure here. And that will be aligned with our 38.2 area. And whenever market is in strong trend, market usually reverse from this areas 38.2. If you want to see this, then let me show you. See, 38.2 area test, pump. Thirty 82 area pump. After this big breakout structure, massive fall, and the area is 38%. Sorry, it is from here because this is the low. See this 38% area. After the big breakout structure, mostly on the strong trend, price hold this area 38%. So we'll be watching for buy from here around 4643 to 4640. This one. It should be a swing. Yes, it will be a swing, and target will be recently created high, then 5000. Today I am watching for short to this area. My expectations are first this, then drop and pump to this area around 5000. So this is what I'm watching right now, guys. If you have any question, you can ask me. No questions? Okay guys, so that's it for today. Hope you understand today's plan. Wait for this area to test here, then you can enter in short for this low, and even if I get the test of this area and change in structure in 5-minute time frame, I will be still watching for buy, but major possibility price will test this area around 38% in bigger time frame. After this test, we are good to go towards 5000. So watch for this. And again, thank you for joining, guys. See you in the next video. Until then, keep trading, keep